Hey there, YouTubers. I've been busy with stuff and I've missed a couple of these Class B van tips, tricks, gadgets, and hacks and all that stuff. So I have one today. I'm going to try to keep it quick. And it is actually a fix of a previous hack tip, gadget, or whatever. I'm going to try to see if I have some old video clips of it, but I'm going to explain it first just in case either way I don't have it. What we're going to do is we're going to go outside and we're going to go to the roof. I had told you before that my air conditioner sits kind of down in a tub, and then water can drain out and all that good stuff. And I had a problem last year of birds building a nest in there, and had eggs were laid and the baby bird died, and it was very stinky. It was very disgusting. And it worked really good for a while, until the wind started catching it more and more and it was ripping it off. So this tip or hack or whatever the heck it is what I did to fix that, my new plan. And many of you might not care. You might not have the same kind of air conditioner, but some of you might, because not only do you have to worry about birds building nests in there, but leaves and junk can fall in there and get stuck, and then they rot and you can get some smells from it. And this is a fix to stop junk getting in your air conditioner tub. I'm trying to talk fast to get this over quick. So let's go outside and go upstairs. This is old video. All right, YouTubers. I'm going to do some measuring. So I try not to include too much, but here's a little look at how I originally did this project. So now I'm going to take the Velcro. I think if I'd have used some more and some heavy-duty Velcro, this project may have not needed to be redone. But again, it's still working pretty good. And honestly, if the original way would have worked better, I think this would be my preference. But I think this new one's going to work. All right, seems a little easier to do it on the roof. So you pretty much get the basic idea, right? So now what I'm going to do is I got an empty water jug. That in the center so that stuff will run off it. That's why I liked my first attempt. Everything just falls off the sides and it doesn't get stuck in there. Because again, this is only going to be on here when it's parked and over the winter. I really don't want birds getting back in there. All right, there it is. Now I have a couple different options. That's a bungee cord coming down to here, and that's a bungee cord coming down to there. Should keep it in place, not flap around, and all the water will drain and things shouldn't be able to get in there. I don't think I'm going to get any birds building nests in there again, or a bunch of leaves rotting up there in that little trench. But I got another option too, and there's my other options. I just kind of rolled it up and stuffed it back in there. I can find which way I like better, and I can always cut it shorter if I want to, if I don't want it to hang down. But there we go. And it was just an old tarp that I had, so it didn't cost me any money other than glue and some Velcro. So all right, that's what I did. And I'm gonna move the ladder to show you a little bit better. So this is the change I just made because of the wind issue. Put the Velcro strips, here's another one, and I also put it on the tarp. And it worked well for a while, but it ended up not working. So what I did is, these are awesome. These, if I can get them out, these are pool noodles. So I laid the tarp down, and then I shoved the pool noodles in there. I got one there, one down there, and then one over here. And then that's gonna keep that tarp tight. It's gonna make it a lot easier to get whatever leaves and junk fall into this tub thingy that the air conditioner sits in, as you can see. So the original way might be better at stopping stuff from getting stuck in there, but this is definitely going to keep it in place. It won't get caught by the wind anymore. And I just rolled up the rest of the tarp and I crammed it under there, and that's going to keep birds from putting a nest and stinking. Oh my God, it smelled so bad when that, because I didn't know it was up there, and I drove up to Michigan, up to the UP. And I got up there, and within a week, I'm like, man, something really smells. And it was, the eggs had cracked open and they had died. It was terrible. And like I said, so much junk gets caught up there. And I have caught the same birds when this was flapping around a little bit. They were trying to get in there and build another nest again, so I stopped them. So if you suffer any problems like that, this little quick and easy tip might help you out. It might make you have a great and wonderful day. I've had this van for many years and never had this issue to the last couple years, so I tried to figure out some way that's cheap and easy to protect the AC.